Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you a new DVD Kiana got. This is actually her first PAW Patrol DVD. It's a limited edition gift set. DVD plus PAW Patrol Little Golden Book. It's a DVD and a book. Okay. So here's the front.
Here's the front. The spine.
And the spine.
And the back.
The back.
Mm-hmm.
And it includes these episodes. Pups Save the Sea Turtles, Pups and the Very Big Baby,
Bear baby.
Pups and the Kitty-tastrophe, Pups Save a Train, Pup Boogie, Pups in a Fog, Pup Goose, Pup and Away, Pups Save the Circus, and Pup-a-Doodle Doo. Okay, it's 2013, 117 minutes running time. And it's not rated.
Not rated.
Okay.
Okay.
Back of it. Okay. And I'm going to open it up here. And we did get this at Toys R Us. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Okay, so there's the DVD.
Here's the DVD.
And it's just, the name of it's just PAW Patrol.
Oops, you fell.
Uh-oh. Okay, there he is. He's fine. Okay, so there's the front.
The spine. The spine.
The spine.
And the back.
And the back of the DVD here. And there's the disc. Just a gray disc. And it's got like a little cover on it. And here's the book. Oh, it's pretty little. Itty Bitty Kitty Rescue. And let's see here. I'll show you some of the pages here. Yeah. Kind of a thin book. Not, and let's see, there are more than 200 timeless little golden books to share. Here are just a few of them. How many have you read? So they got different. They got Bubble Guppies.
Bubble Guppies.
And Team Umizoomi and Dora. There's a Dora book.
Dora book.
And there's SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
There's SpongeBob book. Okay. Okay. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, say bye, Kiana. Say bye to everybody.
Blue, silly putty.
You got your silly putty you got from the dentist today, huh?
Yes, from the dentist.
Okay, say bye.
Gooey's. He was kind of gooey.
Yeah. Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody. Bloop.